Hello everybody, I Tushar Jain, CFO and Research Head of Adjust Money Guru. Welcome all of you today on 28th July 2021. In this episode, I will discuss about my views on Indian stock market and what all things you need to consider for next few trading days. So before going further, let us first recall my previous analysis which I have made in my yesterday's episode about the Bank Nifty and SBI, and I mentioned that I am expecting some profit booking especially in Bank Nifty as well as in SBI, and similarly things can be seen in today's market. Bank Nifty is significantly down by 1.60% and it made low at around 34,115, and SBI is also significantly down by around 2%, and SBI made low today at 421.05. So I hope you liked our analysis and my recommendation. You can also get our advanced recommendation. For that you can contact us. Our contact details are given in the description as well as they are mentioned on the screen. So now coming to the markets, what all things you need to consider, and from last Friday, the whole global market is experiencing some uncertainty because of the profit booking in Chinese markets. Sorry, the Chinese and Hong Kong market because of some local issue and also some international issue. The local issue is that the Chinese regulator is restricting some laws on the technology as well as the educational technologies companies. According to Chinese government, the educational technology companies are not allowed to earn super profits or raise capital from the market. Therefore, whereas the technology stocks have experienced significant profit booking in Chinese as well as the Hong Kong's market. Also, there are some rumors or unconfirmed news that the US government is pressurizing the US funds and institutional investors to withdraw their funds from the Chinese markets. Although the news is not confirmed by any reliable source, therefore you need to keep this in under your observation. From yesterday onwards, we had started giving the short op, option strategies to our clients, and from yesterday till now, our clients have earned around 400 to 500% return in single day. Currently, the Bank Nifty is trading at around 34,240 and 24,000 in the range of 34,200 to 34,240. So I think the short traders are advised to book their profit for now, and the long traders are advised to hold their horses for next move. And once again, the Nifty has been stuck in the range of 15,500 to 16,000. Whenever we are on the verge of crossing 16,000, the Nifty has shown profit booking, and whenever we have on the verge of crossing 15,500, then the Nifty has shown the positive and the short coverings. So this has been a cycle of Nifty from last 2 to 3 months. But the best part is that the Nifty is trading from 15,500 to 16,000. That is the all-time highs of the Nifty. So that is the positive signal for the Nifty. Although there can be more profit booking in Bank Nifty can be seen, but it is advised to book your profits, and the more risky traders and more risky investors can consider holding their short positions for next day, that is for tomorrow. Also keeping in mind tomorrow is the monthly expiry, therefore to avoid huge volatility, it is advised to book your profits today itself and enjoy the moment of market, yes, on the moment of market tomorrow by holding profit in your pockets. Our premium pick Tata Coffee has given more than 10%, in fact 15% return in just one day. So to get our advanced analysis, You can contact us. Our contact details are given in the description as well as they are mentioned on the screen. You can also join our Telegram channel, Facebook channel, Twitter account, as well as catch us on Instagram. Their links are mentioned in the description. So I hope you liked our episode. Thank you and good day.